So quick look at XRP then on the daily time frame. As we can see, overall the macro is still looking ridiculously bullish. We've got this huge coiling formation that we've seen for a number of years now, waiting for that SEC case news to be finalized before we see a big move to the upside, in my opinion, for XRP. As you can see on the charts here, forming this kind of in the local area W double bottom pattern, back testing again into this support area that we have been back testing into for such a long time now, ever since the low down here of the COVID crash down at around 11 or 12 cents for XRP. We've had a very nice continuous bounce, and basically this ascending resistance here that we've been back testing into consistently. You can see kind of forming this W double bottom pattern right now. I think Bitcoin leading the market back up over the course of the last few days. I think XRP really is going to come up, probably back up into this 60 cent area and retest up here for its next move. Obviously, we are just following Bitcoin, waiting to see what happens with that. But right now, XRP is still looking like it's just waiting for its time in the sun, which I think it probably will get over the next few years. Things are slowly coming together in terms of the lawsuit. I'm fully expecting that to be finalized and probably done and dusted with this year. And it's probably going to release XRP for the bull run that it's been waiting for the past 4 years, really. Obviously, the last bull run, it was very stunted. Only got up to around $2, $1.80 here, before moving back down to the downside. Didn't really get up there, did we? But I think this time around, we could be looking for some fireworks for XRP. Long-term holders might well be pleased by that. But right now, just waiting to see what Bitcoin does next.